This tutorial is brought to you by Clever. Today we're talking all about contour. Now, contour can be used to enhance and define your features, and it can also be used to camouflage things that you don't want to focus on. So I'm going to show you how. I'm taking a contour stick, and then you're going to need a foundation brush with a little bit of a flat end. So taking my contour stick, I'm going to apply it to the cheeks first because I want to enhance my cheekbones. So I'm just going to draw a stripe up like that, just below the cheekbone. So you need to just find the dent where your cheek goes in. And then I'm also going to hide my jowls. So I'm going to apply it just on the jawline, right up to the ear, like that. And then taking my brush, I'm going to blend that in. Now, when you blend it in, blend it up towards the eye area and not down towards the jowl area. This is going to help lift the face and give you more definition around the cheek area. And now onto the jowls. So this is going to create a shadow around my jowl area, which is going to give me the illusion of a much more defined contour. And now onto the other side. And so it's as easy as that. That's how you contour.